Prince Chaudhary reporting for Pune Times Mirror, live and exclusive on the Don Bosco Road, right opposite the Don Bosco School. Behind me, it is clearly visible that pipe laying work is being carried out. This is a storm water drain pipe laying work, which is a very essential project which is being done because the earlier stormwater drain was getting choked up and the diameter of those pipes were not big enough. So this work started about a week or 2 weeks ago and will get over in another 8 to 10 days. So part of the work, as you can see, has already been completed, the first half of the work. On the left, you can see Don Bosco School, and this will continue for another 2, 3, 400 meters. Because what happens is during heavy rains, if the storm water, then the sewage water leaks out and spills over to the road. It creates a huge nuisance for commuters, pedestrians, and also poses a health hazard. So it is very essential that this work gets completed on time. So there are a lot of obstacles and hurdles which have to be taken care of. As you can see down, there are electricity cables. Part of the cable has been exposed to check if the wire is live or not, because working on such electrical cables, it could cause the workers to get a shock or get electrocuted. So care has to be maintained that the cables are not broken, and if they are, then the MSEDCL team will have to come and repair it. So while laying these pipes, there are several other pipes. There are water pipes, electricity pipes, which have to be taken care of, that they don't get damaged during the excavation and the pipe laying work. The negative side of this stormwater pipeline laying work is that during the evening, during rush hours, there is a traffic jam and a traffic congestion which takes place here. That is what many of the residents and the shop owners over here have told us. You can see in the distance. So this place sees a huge volume of traffic in the evening coming in from Yeroda and heading towards Shastri Nagar and on Nagar Road. So that is one fallout of this storm water laying work, that traffic congestion is created in the evening. And especially with earth moving machines and cranes, further traffic congestion takes place because these machines take up a lot of place, as you can see right now. So the stretch of this pipe laying work is, I just spoke to the contractor, the engineer, who says it's about 280 meters, and the work should get completed in the next 8 days. Stormwater drain work, like other water pipe work, is very essential before the monsoon, because if there are cracks and if it's old and archaic pipes, then leaks and spillages take place. So that should be stopped. So this is good work being done, and this is Prince Chaudhary now signing off for Pune Times Mirror, along with camera person Swapnil on the Don Bosco Road opposite Don Bosco School.